design team at Lister, Britain's oldest racing car company, was simple: to design and build the fastest, most powerful and most luxurious production Lister ever made. The Lister Thunder answers and exceeds this brief in every respect. 1 seconds. Every detail of the Lister Thunder has been considered, from the fully adjustable racing dampers to the lightweight exhaust system, which gives a weight saving of over 10 kilograms. The result is a much faster car with the thunderous exhaust note that gave the car its name. Custom brake calipers, upgraded Michelin tyres and huge 22-inch wheels complete the menacing look. Lister have reworked the beautiful lines